And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this gold tube bead wrap bracelet. I love making wrap bracelets. I think they're really fun and unique, and because of the materials used in them, you can really personalize them to suit your taste. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoy this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen.
For this project, you'll need some cord or lace, gold tube beads, scissors, and a decorative bead. Begin by measuring your lace 5 times around your wrist and cutting it to that length. Then use that first piece of cord or lace that you cut and measure 2 more to that exact same length so that you have 3 that are that same length. Then take your cord and measure around your wrist 4 times and cut it to that length, and then you'll have 4 of these cut cords. Grab all of the ends of them together and tie them in an overhand knot. Then take the 3 that are the same length as each other and braid those together. It helps to safety pin this down to a surface or clip it into a clipboard while you work so that your braid is pulled taut and gives you a little bit of resistance for your work. Once you've braided the entire length of that, take your loose cord that is separate from the 3 that you braided and measure it out so that you can trim them to be even. Once you've trimmed them to the same length, begin adding your gold tube beads. You can then tie knots to hold them in place or leave them loose to slide around your bracelet. Once you've put all of those gold tube beads on, grab all of the ends of your lace and tie them in an overhand knot together. Once you've pulled that knot tight, you're ready to add your decorative bead, and this gives your bracelet something to hold on to secure it onto your wrist. Tie the end of one of those little lace pieces with your bead on it, and then trim the excess from the remaining 3. Wrap it around your wrist to figure out exactly how big your bracelet needs to be, and on the end that you started your work on, tie a second knot so that there will be a loop between the first knot that you tied and that second one. This is where you're going to slide that bead through as the closure for your bracelet. And that is your finished project. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below, and be sure to hit that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.